Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing assets and the environment. Open Roblox Studio, enable the terrain tools, and make sure the terrain API is available. Next, import your texture images as decals or textures and keep resolutions reasonable, like 512 to 2048 pixels, so performance stays good. Once done, create a new material folder in Explorer and assign a unique material ID. This lets you reference it programmatically. Make sure to save the project now, so your imports and ID won't be lost. Now you build the material itself. Use surface appearance or texture objects to supply albedo, normal, and roughness maps, because these control how light interacts with the terrain. Then, write a concise module script that registers your material ID and points to those texture assets so you can reuse the material programmatically. Once implemented, apply the texture to a small test patch of terrain to check scale and tiling. If the pattern repeats or looks blurry, adjust UV scale or resolution and retest until it reads correctly. To finish, use the terrain paintbrush to apply your custom material across the map. Vary brush size, opacity, and hardness so transitions look natural. Make sure to tweak UV scale, normal strength, and roughness to match the desired visual fidelity and performance trade-offs. Save frequently and enter play to check lighting reactions and collision. If things go wrong, like seams, flicker, or weird tiling, clear Studio Cache. Re-import the problem textures at a different resolution, and reduce tiling until the issue disappears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.